You said never let me go. 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 You said
Hello guys, welcome to today's lesson. I sincerely apologize to all my fans and subscribers for not posting new videos for quite some time now. I went for a break and I'm fully back. Please, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Come back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make diapers rash and inflammation cream. How to make diapers rash and inflammation cream. If you are a parent or a caregiver, you may have been spending money trying to treat rashes and inflammation on your baby's skin following the use of diapers or what is called pampers in some clients. It is quite disheartening that after spending your hard-earned money to buy diapers, you still have to spend additional money trying to treat your baby of the rashes. The cause of diapers rashes and inflammation is simple. After today's lesson, you'll be able to formulate a simple remedy to treat diapers rash. Diapers absorbent material is a polymer called sodium polyacrylate. It is made from acrylic acid or propionate acid and caustic soda. Acrylic acid is a strong organic acid. After the reaction of the acid with the caustic soda, there is often a little residue or leftover acid in the polymer. This is sodium polyacrylate, which is the water absorbent material in your baby pampers. So today we are going to prepare about 120 ml of diapers rash and inflammation cream using zinc oxide as the active ingredient. The recipe is petroleum jelly 70 grams, paraffin oil 50 ml, paraffin wax 4 grams and zinc oxide 5 grams. Happy watching.